Magandang morning to our viewers and listeners and worldwide. So today is what day today? Today is Friday, Canada time. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, and here we are on our lesson 5 of how to avail of the Pag-ibig housing loan. Alright, so let's go for ihanda na po ang ating mga papel and ballpen to take down notes of this. Our situation. You are now a citizen of a different country, but previously Filipino. So you will see in our picture, in our image that we're going to discuss, this is an exact sample of our dual citizenship certificate. Okay, so tinakpan lang po natin yung mga for privacy, we need to cover it all. Okay. First question. Can a non-Filipino citizen avail of a Pag-ibig housing loan? Number 2, will the foreign citizen previously Filipino receives a Philippine passport? So, you will be handling 2 passports? Okay, let's go to the answers. Answer number 1. Can a Filipino citizen avail? Non-Filipino citizen avail? Definitely, opo. Makaka-avail, na-discuss na po natin to sa, I guess, sa lesson 1 pala, na-discuss na natin yon. Na pwede po ang foreigner na ngayon. But, number 1, he should be a previous Filipino. Previously, Pinoy po siya. Secondly, hindi po yung pwede na foreign ka, puti ka, Caucasian ka, tapos mag-a-avail ka ng Pag-ibig housing kasi non-Filipino. Hindi po. Kailangan po, previously, Pinoy po kayo. Though you are already a citizen of a foreign country. Okay po? And you will see that in our image, in our picture that we're going to discuss, or a sample of our dual citizenship certificate. Let's go. Number 2, will this foreigner, previously Filipino, have 2 passports? A Philippine passport and a foreign country passport? Answer is no. Wala pong Philippine passport na ini-issue. Ito po ay papel lang, or shall we say, a certificate. Okay? Kaya hindi po kayo mag-i-expect na bibigyan po kayo ng Philippine passport. Example po, Canadian na kayo ngayon, may Canadian citizen passport kayo, and then may Philippine passport din po kayo. Because of this dual citizenship, the answer is no. Hindi po. Certificate po ito na ipapakita ninyo, pero hindi po pa rin po kayo maaalis bilang isang foreign or isang Canadian citizen or other foreign citizen. Number 3, as I previously discussed in different lessons, hindi po kayo pwedeng bumili or mag-avail ng Pag-ibig housing loan pag hindi po kayo dual citizen. Ulitin ko po, hindi po pwedeng mag-avail ng Pag-ibig housing loan pag hindi po kayo dual citizen. Okay po? Kailangan po ay dual citizen po kayo. Another thing I found out, if you are already in like bumabiyahe kayo, like going to the Philippines, and then ang binili nyo lang po is one-way ticket going to Philippines only, and you are already a citizen of the foreign country, ay hindi po pwede pag wala kayong another ID, or like this one, a dual citizenship. Kapag hindi po, kapag one-way ticket lang po ang binili ninyo, kailangan po two-way ticket kung hindi po kayo dual citizen, or a round-trip ticket kung hindi po kayo dual citizen. Kasi that's one of the advantage. So, one advantage is makakapag-avail po kayo ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan. And number 2 advantage is because hahanapan po kayo it's okay if you don't have a round-trip ticket pag wala po kayong, pag meron ho kayong Canadian Citizenship Certificate. But, if you don't have a Canadian Citizenship Certificate, then kailangan po round-trip yung ticket nyo going to and from the Philippines back to your foreign country or where you are permanently residing now. Okay po. So, that's for our lesson for today. And if you need more assistance, please email us. Maybe we can be of help. Email us through beyondthatlife@yahoo.com, and follow our YouTube in Palakad, Philippines. Have a good day po.